Guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. If you guys are new to the channel, stopping in for the first time, my name is Ryan. We are back here again with you in Vegas. We are here at Aria Casino and Resort here in Las Vegas. So just to give you guys a little update on Aria, it was built December 16th of 2009 is when it opened at a build cost of $2.7 billion, 4,004 rooms here. And they also have the Aria art collection here for one of the main attractions. The fountain out front is pretty cool, but that actually wasn't going on today. So right now we are in the hotel lobby here at Aria, and it is pretty awesome, I would have to say. Love the ceiling decor in here as well. But we'll take you guys down on the walkthrough through Aria here. So like I said, make sure you look up at the ceiling. The decor they have is pretty awesome here. We will take you down this way. Jewel Nightclub, the buffet, and the convention center are down here, as well as taxi, valet, and Ubers. So if you need to take an Uber or a Lyft, this is the way to go to get there. Also, the rewards desk for M Life is going to be up here as well. Aria has a bunch of table games in the center. They have everything ranging from Casino War to 3-card poker, Ultimate Texas Hold'em, as well as some Let It Ride, High Card Flush, Blackjack Switch, and Pai Gow. So they have tons of table games here as well if you guys want to play those. Definitely can. My favorite table games is definitely going to have to be craps or blackjack for sure. Take you on the left side, and then we'll kind of work our way back around on the right side here for you guys as well. Up over on my left is Javier's Finest Foods in Mexico. Looks pretty cool. Like more of a upscale type place. Over to the right is the Alibi. I'll show you that when we walk back, going back the other way here for you guys. Over to the right there are some craps. Those were $15 and $25 crab tables.
Yes, real good.
Players Club card registration straight over to my right, so if you guys need to get a Players Club card, go over there to do so. Also My Vegas, if you have any apps to claim, redemption tickets or apps, go there to do so. Gem bars up over on my right hand side. Straight ahead of us is going to be the sports book and also the poker room. So if you need to go to the self-parking garage or taxi play, that's going to be over to the left-hand side there. Poker room is going to be straight up ahead of you here, so if you guys see that. Also, Burger Lounge is off to the left-hand side. We'll kind of make our way over to the right. So up over on the left here is going to be Essence, the sports bar, and the racing sports book here at Aria. So if you guys are wondering on filming, time frame on this, today is Saturday. It is July the 20th, and right now it's about 3:30 in the afternoon here. So it's going to get busier here as the night progresses, and as we keep doing this. I think after this, we're going to head over to the Cosmopolitan and do a quick walkthrough of the Cosmopolitan for you guys. There is Spin, Highland Spots over on my right-hand side. And up over to the left is the Sky Suites, the Blossom, and Lemongrass. Jewel Nightclub is up here, as well as some of the elevators, or guest elevators, if you stay in here. cages up over on our left, guys. So we're going to try and avoid that here. Make our way straight ahead, and then we'll cut left towards Alibis. Alibis will be on my left. Players Club is over on my right now. You're trying to get the orientation of where you're at here at Aria. So I got a bunch of newer games here at Aria, so if you guys like the newer games, this is definitely a good spot for that. Cosmo has a lot of newer games as well, but Aria has tons. This casino floor is actually really, really big. It goes all the way back, and we've covered most of that here for you. Up over to the left is going to be the guest elevators, like I was talking about earlier, as well as the lift bar is straight ahead of us here. Have more table games straight off into the center, so if you go down the center of this place, they have a bunch of table games here. They have roulette going on. I think lowest I see is $15.25 on those. Same with blackjack, $15.25 on those as well, guys. This will keep going down. This will actually take you, if you keep following this way, it'll take you all the way down to the crystal shops. So if you want to go to the crystal shops and do any shopping or anything like that, you certainly can do so. We'll take you down to where you need to go to do that. Reef of Riches, I've never seen that game ever. I might have to try that one later. Make our way back towards the lobby here for you guys, and then make our way on over to the Cosmopolitan. I'm going to show you guys where Secret Pizza is. I'm going to show you where the Wicked Spoon is in the Cosmo, as well as the awesome lobby that they have at the Cosmo. I think the Cosmo's lobby is second to none, or first to none actually. It's one of the best that I've ever seen. I love the way that the changes on the pillars and stuff with all the images and things like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick walkthrough of the Aria here in Las Vegas. But if you guys did, be sure to like the video. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already done so. But as always, guys, my name is Ryan. I will be your host for all these adventures through Las Vegas. So until next time.